Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making some spring and summer wreaths. These are really pretty and very easy and inexpensive to do. So if you guys want to see what we're going to make, then please keep watching. Alright guys, first up is the butterfly wreath. I'm going to be using this boxwood wreath from Walmart. It was $11. Next I got this hello sign from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99. Some baby's breath picks. These butterfly feather picks from Hobby Lobby as well. They were $3.99 a pack. And then a pack of these ladybug foam picks, and then some green floral wire. Alright, now we're going to paint our hello sign. I couldn't decide which color I wanted, but I ended up going with the yellow. I thought it would really pop against the green wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and paint 2 coats of paint onto my sign. Here is the yellow paint that I am using. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff my wreath and start kind of placing my baby's breath to see where I want it. The wreath kind of already had some baby's breath in it, which is great, but I wanted to add more. Now I'm going to add my hello sign with that green floral wire. As you can see here, I'm kind of poking it through the hole, and then I will attach it and twist it on the back. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere because it is kind of heavy. It is made of wood. Like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul. And here we go. Here it is with the sign attached. Now I'm going to take that baby's breath and actually place it. I paid $1.99 per little bunch. They were 50% off. Everything I got was 50% off, just so you know. I never pay full price. So I'm going to go ahead and start inserting these and hot gluing them down. Alright, now I'm going to take those feather butterflies. These were $3.99 with half off. I got 3 packs. I got 2 small ones and 1 large one, which I thought they would be larger, but that's okay. That's what happens when you shop online. So now I'm just sticking them in the wreath. I did leave the little metal wire on there. I'm going to kind of wrap it around the leaf just so it kind of pokes up like so. And I will just do the same for the rest of them. I'm wrapping them around the leaf and then propping it up so it kind of looks like they're flying. Here we go. Here's all the larger butterflies. Now I'm going to go back through and add the smaller ones. Now I did try to alternate the colors, and then I will be adding these ladybug little picks too. Thought they were so adorable. Now, since I didn't glue these down, I can always reuse this wreath in the future. That's what I like about not using hot glue. Now I'm going to take those really cute butterfly picks and I'm going to insert them. I thought I was going to use 2, but I ended up using 3. I really love the pop of red that it gave. This tutorial is super simple, guys. I really love this one. It only took me about an hour. I did decide to go back through and add more butterflies because I think it needed a little bit more, but here's what it looks like all done. I love this one. This one's really pretty. Alright guys, next up is the sun hat wreath. I'm going to take this sun hat I got from Hobby Lobby. It was 15 bucks. I had half off. Now you're going to need some flowers of choice. I chose daisies, sunflowers, and hydrangeas. Then you're going to use those leftover butterfly and ladybug picks, some black satin ribbon, and that's it. I got you. So now we're just going to take off all of the stems of flowers from the actual stems themselves. You do want to keep some of the leaves. Now I'm going to go ahead and start placing the flowers just to find the placement that I like before I start gluing. Once you're happy with the placement, just go ahead and start hot gluing it down. As you can see, I did a flower and then a leaf and alternated just to make it look more full. Next was the hydrangea, did the exact same thing. Now, like I said, you can pick any flower combination that you liked. I just really love how blue, yellow, and white look together. And last but not least, the daisies. Alright, and here's what we've got so far. Alright, now we're going to take those butterfly little picks and that ladybug and glue them all down.
I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do.
And last part is super simple. You're going to take your black ribbon and just tie a simple bow. You can make it more elaborate if you'd like, but I really love the simplicity of this. I'm not really great at explaining how to tie a bow, so if you want to learn how to tie a bow, then I would just YouTube it or Google it. They could probably explain it better than me. So now I'm just going to glue the bow down.
We don't need nobody else.
I did leave the tails pretty long. I think it looks really pretty. Now I'm just going to cut a little triangle on there on the edges so you've got a nice little finished ribbon edge. Alright guys, and that's it. Came out really adorable. I love this one too. Alright guys, that wraps up these very easy spring and summer DIYs. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know in the store you could easily pay $100, $150 for 2 wreaths like this, and they costed me just under, I think, $55, so not too bad. If you guys did like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know, and I can do some more DIYs for you. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!